Hello, so welcome to this video. So today we're going to be talking about the main differences between trading manually and trading automated. Now, the biggest difference that you see when you're doing manual trading and automated trading is that the amount of time you're going to need to focus on. Now, what do I mean by that? When you look at manual traders, if you're going to be a manual trader, sometimes it's better to be a manual trader when you're a full-time trader. Now, why is that? That's because it allows you to focus on the charts a lot more and make more profit that way. However, when you're an automated trader, which is going to be most of the majority of people, what actually suits you there is that you can still keep working like normal. You want to spend time doing other things, you can still do that. Yes, you might make less profit. However, it allows you to be able to take your mind off trading. So if you're not a full-time trader, automated trading is the way to go. However, even if you are a full-time trader, you can still do automated trading, and it allows you to enjoy life a little bit more. Because when you get into manual trading, one thing that can happen is that you can get drawn into one of those positions where when you make profits, the high is quite good because obviously it's all manual. However, when you make losses, you pretty much only have yourself to blame. Now, the last thing you want to do with trading is to blame yourself for any losses, but also to get too overexcited and to basically refund the market of the profits that you've made. So the biggest thing I would say is between manual and automated trading is the time difference. So if you're thinking of what do you want to do next, do you want to go into manual trading or automated trading, think to yourself is in how much time do you actually realistically have. If you only have a little bit of time to spend and you also are probably already working, just literally go automated trading. However, if you are in a position where you're not doing anything at all, you have plenty of time to learn trading, go into manual trading. If you have everything covered and you literally have nothing else to do, go into manual trading, because then at least that way you can learn manual trading and then go into automated trading and you understand it a lot easier. However, if you literally are just starting out or you don't have enough time to be spending hours on charts, automated trading is the way to go. Now, what I teach for all the people that I mentor and coach, I teach them automated trading. The reason why is because I feel like if you want to have that kind of financial freedom, the best thing you should do is to go into automated trading, because then it allows you to keep investing money from your workplace or whatever you do outside of trading. So that way, that's actually going to accelerate that compounding effect compared to if you were to simply be doing nothing and you're literally trying to grow a little tiny account. You can grow a lot faster if you're automated trading, but also putting money in from whatever you're doing, any side hustles or main jobs or anything like that. So that's it for this quick little video, just to tell you about what you should really be looking into if you are undecided between manual trading and automated trading.